Once you're in the Canva home, click Create a Design, that purple button in the right upper hand corner. Pick the size of the post that you want to create. Once you're in the blank area, what you'll want to do is on the left hand side, click on Folders, and then you'll either find it in your folders, an individual folder area, or under All Your Designs. So click All Your Designs if you don't have folders saved, and then you'll select the template pack that you're wanting to edit from the All Your Designs area. And then you'll be able to select the individual posts that you want to edit. Once you've selected it, it'll show up right there. And then you'll go ahead and customize and edit as you need. And then you'll click that download button once you're finished. You can select the template pack from your home area in Canva, and it'll bring up every single template that's included in the pack. So you can go ahead and select the post that you want to edit, and you can edit it individually, and then you can download it individually after you've edited it to your liking by clicking that download button up there at the right hand corner, and then going down to select pages, and then just checking the box of the page that you want to download individually. Click done, and then download it.